Most new drivers have difficulty making a right turn. Let me show you how to do it right. But before I show you the right way to make the right turn, let me show you what the wrong way is. This is what new drivers do wrong. They stop too far back, just like the way it is shown in the picture, and turn too early. And when they turn early, they hit the curb like this. Boom. And sometimes they go too far forward to avoid hitting the curb. You see how far I am from the curb, and I'm driving in the oncoming traffic lane. And that can be dangerous. Now, out of my teaching experience, I can tell that turning too wide is a bigger problem than hitting the curb. The reason most drivers turn too wide is because in their mind, they have this picture that the curb has sharp corners and that they will hit the curb if they turn too early. But in reality, the curbs are made round on purpose so that you can turn right properly. Now that you have an understanding of how this works, you must throw the fear of hitting the curb out of the window. And let's see how a perfect right turn is done. When the front of your car is almost aligned with the curb like this, that is when you should start turning the steering wheel and go. Here, the front of the car is almost aligned with the curb. This is how it looked from a different angle. And if you look here, there's a lot of room and there's no way I'm going to hit the curb if I turn from here. So let's see how it goes. See, I'm at a very safe distance, and the best part is I'm staying in my lane. It can be verified from this car that came at the right time to help me demonstrate my point. See, I'm perfectly centered. Now, I want you to try this and let me know how it goes for you. I'll look forward to your comment. Drive safe, my friend.